Exporting the sales summary using RetailManager Multistore Explorer. RetailManager Multistore is designed to help you export and analyze key business data such as sales summary information from one or multiple stores. You export reports store by store, ready for filtering and analysis in Excel. AAAPOS continues to enhance RetailManager Multistore with new features. If you have suggestions or feature requests, we'd love to hear from you. Accessing Multistore Explorer. Log into the AAAPOS Web Store Manager. Navigate to Manage, Explorer, Multistore. You will see three main categories: Customers, Inventory, and Sales Summary. Exporting Sales Summary Data. Step-by-step instructions. Select Sales Summary from the menu, then click Refresh to load the latest sales summary data across all stores. A list of your stores will appear on screen. You can now drag and sort fields, for example, sort by store name, year and month, etc., and rearrange columns to suit your preferred layout. To download sales summary data, highlight the store, then click Download. A download will begin, and a pop-up box will ask you to choose a save location. Select your desired folder and click OK. Once the download completes, the folder will automatically open so you can access your file. Understanding the exported report. When you open the Excel file, you'll see multiple tabs. Summary displays a sales summary based on your setup, daily, weekly, monthly, etc., to give you a quick overview of performance over time. Month-to-date summary shows the month-to-date sales figures, helping you track how the current month is progressing. Sales info contains detailed sales transaction data. This tab supports filtering, making it easier to analyze specific dates, products, stores, or other key metrics. Profit by category summarizes profit data by department and category, allowing you to identify which areas of the business are performing best. Tips and recommendations. Use Excel filters to sort and analyze your sales data easily, for example, filter by product, profit, or quantity in stock, etc. Make regular exports to keep your sales data list up to date for reordering and data quality purposes.